Becoming a project management professional through the Project Management Institute is a significant career milestone for project managers. The process begins with creating a PMI account, which acts as the gateway to applying for the PMP exam and accessing a host of PMI resources. Setting up your PMI account is a straightforward process, but it's crucial to understand the steps involved, including gathering the required documentation and filling out key sections of the application form accurately. This video will walk you through the process of creating a PMI account, explain key sections of the PMP exam application form, and offer tips on what information you need to gather before starting your application. Let's start by discussing why having a PMI account is beneficial for all project managers. There are a number of reasons why a project manager should set up a PMI account. A PMI account offers several benefits beyond just applying for the PMP exam. With your account, you can apply for PMI certifications like PMP, CAPM, or PMI ACP. Track certification applications and exam schedules. Access PMI resources, including the PMBOK guide, webinars, and discounts on exams and renewal fees. And monitor and report professional development units, called PDUs, for maintaining your PMP certification. Let's explore the step-by-step process of setting up a PMI account. To start, go to the PMI official website at www.pmi.org. Once on the site, look for the Login button in the upper right-hand corner of the homepage. If you don't already have a PMI account, select Register to begin the registration process. You'll be taken to the account creation page where you'll need to provide some basic personal information. Enter your first and last name as it appears on official documents like your ID or passport. This name will appear on your PMP certification and exam documents, so make sure it is accurate. Enter a valid and frequently used email address. PMI will use this to send important notifications about your application status, exam dates, and certification renewal reminders. Lastly, a unique username and strong password is needed for your PMI account. This username will be the stem of your email address. Once registered, make sure to store this information securely, as you'll need it to log into the PMI portal. Once you've filled out the required fields, select Register Now. PMI will send a verification email to the address you provided. Verify your account by selecting the link in the email. After verifying your email, log into your newly created PMI account using your username and password. You will now have access to the PMI dashboard, which serves as your main hub for certifications, resources, and professional development. Once logged in, navigate to the Certifications tab at the top of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Project Management Professional, PMP. This will take you to the PMP exam application page, where you can begin the process of applying for the exam. The PMP application form is comprehensive and requires details about your project management experience, education, and training. Filling it out accurately is essential, as PMI may audit your application to verify eligibility. Before applying, ensure you meet the PMP eligibility criteria. If you hold a 4-year degree, you'll need 36 months of project management experience and 35 hours of formal education or training. With a high school diploma or associate degree, 60 months of project management experience and 35 hours of education are required. In the education section, you will provide details on your highest completed education level, institution name, graduation date, and location. The Project Management Experience section requires detailed documentation of projects you've led within the last 8 years. For each project, include the title of the project, your role, organization, industry, dates, and a brief description highlighting how you led the project phases: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and closing. Document your 35 hours of formal project management education from sources like PMI authorized training, university courses, or employer programs. Include course title, provider, and dates, ensuring they total at least 35 hours. Lastly, review all entries before submitting. Once PMI approves your application, you'll be notified by email to pay the exam fee. PMI members receive a discounted rate, which can be accessed during the application process. Lastly, you require your project management training certificates from completing this project management program provided and certified by Coursera. Collect these certificates so they can be provided in the education section. By gathering these documents ahead of time, you'll save yourself the hassle of searching for them during the application process. In conclusion, creating a PMI account is the first step toward applying for the PMP certification and accessing PMI's wide range of resources. In this video, you learned that by following the step-by-step guide outlined above, you can set up your account, complete the PMP application, and be well on your way to advancing your project management career.